Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have as a visitor here. This is Bruno. Bruno?
Bruno.
Okay, everything good? I will fix your car right now. So we're gonna check this car here. We have a little bit of problem. Okay, hopefully I will be able to get a charger because my phone is dying. But I will do something else. Okay, this car here, the rear brake was being replaced, the caliper, and they open it manually. And when they open it manually, something happens. So I'm using Honda software, as you see here. And let's go ahead and diagnose this car to see what's going on. Okay, stay with us. I'm gonna use DSTI, and then I will go to Honda Acura are the same diagnostic tool. We try to see what's going on here. Connecting the VCI. Let me get some power through the window. I'm initializing the diagnostic tool. Ignition must be on. Okay, that's the system. Go again next. DTC. This is the go back. Test function. Okay, let me start the car because maybe the diagnosis was early. Something happened here. F-car, let me go back. Exit again. Okay. Okay. On the system. Okay, let me go to ABS. Not ABS. Electric power steering. Initialize the data. Want to see if there is any code. No fault code, which is good news. Okay, go back again. Okay, data list. Everything is reading good. Okay, adjustment. Torque sensor learn, EAB stereo angle sensor. Okay.